every human cell has 23 chromosomes. Oh, I didn't do that. So check it out. 2 and 3. Jesus is holding his second and his third finger up, okay, which means 23. Look at that. 2 and 3. See how they bend? Okay. Do you know why? Oh, do you know why? Every human cell has 23 pairs of chromosomes. When you're in the Bible and you're reading the begotten part, you can't begot anybody without 23 chromosomes from your father and or 23 chromosomes from your mother. That's a family, see? The real magic is 46 because that's the total number of chromosomes found in almost every human cell. 23 pairs to be exact in every cell, which is your house of Israel, every little cell. And those little thread-like structures pack all the information about who you are and what makes you unique. You can't see it. You can't feel it. But you know, it's real science. And how do you know that? Because Jesus is trying to tell you that you cannot have babies unless you transfer 23 chromosomes to another person. To understand what chromosomes are, first have to understand what DNA is, formerly known as deoxyribonucleic acid. DNA is a complex molecule found in all plants and animals. It's found in almost every cell of an organism's body, and it contains all the information necessary to keep that organism up and running and developing and reproducing. DNA also is a primary way organisms pass on heredity information. In the process of reproduction, a portion of DNA is passed along from the parent to the offspring. So if you're having a baby naturally, God's begottenness keeps going. But if you go into the old fertility clinic and you get DNA from who knows, God knows where, and you put that in there, you're having an unnatural baby. As you can now probably imagine, DNA has to be pretty long to hold all that info. And it is. If you stretch the DNA in just one human cell all the way to its full length, it would be 6.5 feet, 2 meters long. And if you put the DNA in all your cells together, you'd have a chain about twice the diameter of the solar system. You see? Just one body of DNA in your human cells is long enough to go around the solar system twice. What? Could that be your house of Israel? Every chromosome contains exactly one molecule of DNA, to be exact, and that long string of genetic info is tightly wrapped around the protein called a histone, which acts like a spool, efficiently bundling the lengthy info-rich molecule into the perfect size and shape to fit inside the nucleus of every cell. Every human cell has 23 pairs of chromosomes for a total of 46, aside from the sperm and egg cells, which each only contain 23 chromosomes. So there's the God stuff right there. 23 chromosomes in your sperm and egg cells. Okay, that's pretty hot. That's called evolution or nuclear functions happening within your body. Okay? Nuclear. Pretty cool, huh? So, let's go back. Go back, please. Go back, please. Okay. See, Jesus is trying to tell us that we're only connected to him through our chromosomes. Can you go back? Do you know how to go back to pictures? I swear to God. They are messing with everything so bad today. Pretty interesting. Pretty interesting. How come the biggest gene place in the world is called 23andMe? Because you only have 23 expressing genes to express yourself like God. Express yourself. So if God was going to come down into a human body, he would have to use the chromosomes to express himself inside of the body temple. See? Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Bye, friends.